Hello and welcome back to Victory of the People YouTube channel. My name is Nico. I will be your host for today and every day. Our mission is to fanatically empower families to shift their mindsets and overcome limited generational belief systems. So we are still on this journey, right? We have finally registered our business and we need to get what is called a Duns number. So Duns and Bradstreet is the largest business credit bureau, right? And so a Duns number is essentially their way of integrating you into their system. So they give you this unique identifying number, and it's called a Duns number, right? And so this number is given by Duns and Bradstreet to start your credit profile with them, right? And so how do you get it? And so the Duns number is free, right? It is used to establish your DMB file, like I said before. This helps potential partners, lenders, and just anybody who's interested in your business know more about your business, right? It is essentially your credit report for your business, right? So step one. So they have a system. When you go to www.dmb.com, there is a search bar. And so what you're going to do first is, if your business is already established, if you've already been doing business, and let's say you already have some creditors, mostly we call them net creditors. So net 30, net 60, net 90 creditors. You may already be in their system. So the first thing you need to do is you need to search their system to make sure that they have not already created a file for you, right? And so there's some prerequisites. So your business first has to be registered. So that's why I waited till after we registered our business to tell you about Dun and Bradstreet. So your business must be registered in order to apply for your Duns number. They'll ask whether you are a home-based business, and I'll always answer no, right? Because we have set up our virtual business space, and so we're not a home-based business, right? So I always tell them no when they ask me if I'm a home-based business. And so it does matter, and it does make a difference. So just keep that on top of your mind. So the number of employees that you physically have at your location, so they will ask that question as well. How many physical employees do you have working at your location? Once you receive your Duns number, it will come in the mail. And so make sure your business address is up to date and you will receive it in the mail. Now, they will call you. So what this call is used to do, there's two reasons for this call, right? So the first reason is to, it's like their second line of defense to ensure that there's a lot of fraud out there. And so they want to ensure that you are legitimately a business before they issue you your Duns number, right? And so you want to make sure that your business number that you put on your application is a good number and answer when they call. Now, two, they will also call to try and upsell you. We'll expedite, getting your Duns number. It's going to take longer without the expedite. And we want to expedite your business credit file. There's no need for all of that. It's free. Like I said, the Duns number is free. A lot of this stuff is free and they just want to upsell you. So there's no need for all of that. So the two reasons they're going to call, one is to make sure you're not fraud. Two, they want to upsell you, right? And like I said, depending on the type of business you had, that service is not even needed to expedite their process. So like I said, be sure that your email is correct. Be sure that your business number is correct, and you'll be fine. You'll get it in the mail, and it is free. www.dnb.com. All right, so that pretty much does it for the Duns number. If you're enjoying this content, please like, share, subscribe. And again, like I always say, you will have the victory over your life. Again, this is Victory of the People YouTube channel. My name is Nico. I'll see you again soon.